what is mathematical expectation? So mathematical expectation, also known as a expected value for random variable x, is denoted by ex or expected x. It represents the long run average of the random variable that is expected to take on when the experiment is repeated many times. So mathematical expectation is more likely an infinity value. Then the formula of mathematical expectation is ex is equal to summation of x px. Just like the image that I dictated in the PPT, that the mathematical expectation, if x is discrete, then the variable is ex is equal to p1 x1 plus p2 x2 p3 x3, then so on. More likely it's a infinity value. Then excuse me, then if x is continuous, then more likely it's still an infinite, but the value is ex is equal to integral of infinity negative infinity x fx dx. So more likely still an infinity value. So mathematical expectation is infinite. So there are other types of mathematical expectation. We have 4 types. It's conditional expectation, joint expectation, marginal expectation, and expected value of a function e.g. So conditional expectation, the value of conditional expectation exy, then the joint is still e close x and y up. Then the marginal expectation is ex or ey. Then the expected value of function is e close gx. Then it means that the expected value of a g applied to a random variable x. So that's the expected value. Then let Ong proceed the conditional expectation, which is the reporter is Ong.
And now let's proceed to conditional expectation. So nata example dire no, for x and y with a joint probability mass function given below, find the expected value of y when x equals to 2. So mo na siya ang joint probability mass function. So dire ang x and y, since discrete variable siya, magamit pag solve ani magamit ang summation. Since na naman mo na itong kuan problem, ang expected value of y when x equals to 2, tas diri mo na yung given na kuan joint distribution, mo na yung value na tay kuan diri na naka-table. So diri pa lang na x equals to 2, makita na nato na diri ara siya mao ni. So mo ni siya. After ani, para makuha nato ang kuan, masolve nato yung expected conditional expected value, nata diri ay f y x equals to 2 and y of x equals to 2. So kini, para makuha ni siya ang kining 1, kailangan nato ni siya ratio for joint PMF to the marginal. So ang 1, ang 1, ang ratio sa 1 tapos sa 4 divide na to, we have 1/4, and next 1 sa mangyapon siyempre na 1/4, tapos this sa y3 natay 2, so 2/4, so 2/4 may mo siya 1/2. So makita nato diri na naman tay tulo diri. So ato nang ibutang para di ta malibog, pagyapon na siya 1 y equals to 2 ug y equals to 3. After para makuha natong expected value of y, di na ito magamit ang summation, magbutang ta diri ag e. So expected value of y when x equals to 2 equals summation of when y start 1 and end of 3, tapos y f and y x equals to 2 siya. So kini dili na nato magamit ato nang ipang plug-in. Start ta sa y1 tapos diri sa y1 1/4 plus y2 2 diri 1/4 plus y3 and 1/2. So after ani ato lang i-simplify na, ato lang i-add tanan. So kining 1 and 1/4 tapos 2 times 1/4 and 3 times 1/2. So kini siya mo over siya 9/4, and that's the final answer for our conditional expected value.
Sagot. Klaro ko lang. Yung mo storya man na sa storya kadali na atang diri. Kasi pwede po siya.
So mo na siya ang other example sa among topic guys. Multiple random variables and joint PMFS. So this PMFS guys tells us about one random variable at a time. This tells us about X and this tells us about Y. But wala ni sila naghatag og information nga ang two random variables is related with each other. For example, if gusto ka answeran ni nga question. Dili ini mo sila ma-answeran if ang imong nabalan lang is kaning 2 individual PMFS. Para ma-answeran nimo is need na tog information nga mag-tells us what values of x tend to occur together with the values of y. So, mo ni siya. So, joint PMFS. So ang joint PMF is nothing but a piece of notation. So, kani siya guys is, kani nga quantity is gi-indicate na to siya ani nga notation, ani nga notation. So, ang letter P guys is stands for PMF, and X is, X is stand for, X is the subscript rather, and kani guys, kani is the function of two arguments depending on what pair. So guys, we might be able given a table of this form. Kani siya. So, gamit ani nga table is atong mansira ng what is the probability that the random variables x and y simultaneously take the values, let us say 1 and 3. Let us say 1 and 3. Then, mutanaw tas table guys. Para makuha ni siya kani nga answer then mutanaw tas sa table, and atong ma-identify it is probability. X takes to the value of 1 x takes to the value of 1 and y takes the value of 3a. And according to this table guys is the answer would be 2/20 kani siya. So muna siyang other example kani final answer. So thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, so now let's talk about the joint probability distribution. Nani siya kanang ang first topic ani is about marginal distribution and expected values. So here are the two random variables of joint probability distribution. First question is, what are the mathematical probability distribution of x and y and expected values of e of x and e of y? How to find the mathematical probability distribution? Now, magbuhat lang taog table. Sulat na itong kuan. As you can see, p x, tapos sa baba kay p of x, then ang sa itong kuan diri dapat kuan 0, 1, 2, 2 sa babaw. Then ang answer ana sa p of x equals x kay kung unsa tong nasa taas, like pareha tong kuan 3, 2, 1 man tong nasa two random variables, kuan i-add nimo to siya ang linya kadto nga linya 3, 2, 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6 over 24. Then ang sa 1 na pod ang diri sa tapad next nga table kay kuan i-add jud nimo tong nasa two random variables hangtod sa baba nga na siya. Then sa x kay kung kuan ang pag magkuha ka sa y kay kuan magbuhat ra jud kag table y, tapos ang sa baba kay p of y equals y, then sa kilid kay 0, 1, 2, then sa baba kay i-add nimo to gikan sa taas pababa. Kaganina kung mukuha ka sa x padong sa paana pa right, then kung sa y na pababa ang addition. Isam lang na nimo siya, then mao na to siya ang answer kantahay kuan kana isam ra na nimo. Then ang answer kay 12/24. Then ang next na pod next, then mao na to siya. That's all. Thank you.